Now batting the left fielder, number 6, Jay Jitterblick.
Can you guys see my helmet? James, how do you lose a bucket that big?
Found it.
What is he wearing?
Coach, do my eyes deceive me, or is that you wearing a Rydell Speed?
Didn't expect that.
3!
Right there, James!
Prime Marshawn Lynch. Son, are you okay?
Yeah. Dude, speared his melon right in my rib cage.
Hey, that kid's got a big bucket, Tony.
Oh, that's pretty good.
In the bottom of the ninth, it's your shortstop, number 1, Tony Bucket.
Hey, you be our hero today. Come on!
Sweet biscuits, take me home.